To become a successful entrepreneur, you need to understand market trends and how you can use them to your benefit. For example, did you know that the buying power of gay, lesbian, and bisexual is over 450 billion and growing? This means that 1.2 adult Americans live with same-sex partners. Now, gay, lesbians, and bisexuals usually spend over 21 hours online. 25% of them do. Are you targeting them? Did you know that big companies like IBM and American Airlines do? It's a great way to increase loyalty from your customers. Now, if you want to learn more about behavior of consumers online, I hope you join my mastermind group called Entrepreneur 3.0. I'm Shahar Boyayan, and you can join my group at buzzbooster.com. That's BUZZBOOSTER. Hope to see you there.